Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today we are going to see in this session the relational operators and assignment operators in C language. So what exactly mean by relational operators? We'll see one by one. Relational operators. The name itself suggesting like relational, that means what? It will check the relationship between two operands. It will check the relationship between two operands and will return true. If it is true, the relationship is true, it will return the value 1, or it returns false, and the value will be for false is the 0 value. 0 means false and 1 means true. So relational operators are basically used to check the relationship between two operands, right? If the result is okay, if the relationship is true, then it will return 1, or else it will return a false. Now there are number of relational operators are there. For example, this is called as a equal to. It's called as a equal to operator, which is used to compare. It is used to compare two, I can say, operands, whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, it returns 1. If they are not equal, it returns false. Then not equals to. This is called as not equal to, right? That means if your value is 0, it will be converted into 1. If it is 1, then it will be converted into 0. That means negative. Not equal to means they are not equal. The next is greater than. Greater than. It will check the first value is greater than second value. Then less than. Then greater than or equal to. It's called as what? Greater than or equal. Similarly, less than, less than or equal. So these are some of the relational operators which are used to find out the relationship between two operands. For example, if I'm taking one example here, like suppose consider here only I will take like int x comma, and suppose int x value is suppose 10, x is 10, comma y equals to suppose 15, like this. So here how you are going to use this particular statements here, you can directly also write like is x is equals to y. That means what? What is the value of x? 10 is equal to 15? No. Then in that case, it will return what value? 0. Similarly, if you have checked this one, x is not equal to y. That means 10 is not, it's saying not equal to 15. That means, yeah, the condition is true because 10 is not equal to 15. That means it will return false. It returns true. Yes, 10 is not equal to 15. That means it will return what? It will return the value 1. Okay, now greater than. So how to write the statement is greater than? Is my x is greater than y? That means what is the value here? What is x? 10 is greater than 15. क्या 10 15 से बड़ा है? No, that means the answer is false. Sorry, the answer is false. In that case, it will return what? 0. Similarly, sorry, here it is the less than. Less than. Is x is less than y? That is, x is what? 10 less than 15? Yes, condition is true. So it will return what? One value. Similarly, greater than or equal to, that means what exactly? Is x is greater than or equal to what? Y. That means what? That is 10 greater than or equal, any one condition will, if any one condition will satisfy, it returns true. But in that case, 10 is not greater than 15 nor it is equal to 15, so it will return what? False. And false means what? The value is 0. And the last one is x less than or equal to 15. That means what? Sorry, here I have to take y, generalized term. And then that is, what is x here? 10 less than or equal to 15. It is not equal, but it is less than. Any one, if any one condition will satisfy, it will return what? It will return 1. Generally, these relational operators are used with selection statements. Selection, or I can say decision making statements, and loops as well. Generally to check the condition, and to make a decision whether it is true, whether it is equal, whether it is greater than equal to, or whether it is less than equals to. In such a case, we are going to use this relational operators in our programming. So based on this, first of all, we will see one example on this relational operators. Then we will come for the next topic, that is assignment operators, for better understanding. So let us start Dev C++, and then we'll go for a new file. Then here, suppose I'm writing like this program is for relational operator. Same program we are going to perform here. So we know that we need to include stdio.h, then our favorite function, that is main, then this one. Now I just declare some variables. Suppose again same, x is equals to 10. We'll take same variable so that you will get more idea. X is equal to y is equals to 15. Now directly in the printf statement only I'll print all the results so that it will be better for us to understand. A, not A. For example, I'll directly take the values. %d, the first operator, if you want, like I will take the comparison, and %d is true or false. That means I want to print the value. Okay, the value is, for example, %d only, right? And here I will take like the first value will be x, second value will be y, and what is the operator I want to try here? X is equal to y. This is the condition. I hope you are getting the things. This %d will be replaced by this x, that is 10, equal to y, that is 15. Is this condition is true? Suppose in comment I'll write this will be treat like 10 equal to 15. Is it true? This is what the relational operator that I am going to perform here. Okay, if these two things are not clear, not true or equal, then it is going to return what value? The output will be 0 here. Okay, so shall we check the output? Let's go. Before that, I need to save this program first. I'll write here like relational operator. That's it. See the output now. Compiled, executed, and you can check the result is 0. 0 means what? The condition is false. The relational operator is returning what? False, because they are not equal. Similarly, I'll take next one. Control V. And here instead of this, I'll take not equal. Right? And here I'll take not equal. So how the condition is look like? See, 10 not equal to 15. Yes, it's true. That means it's going to return what? It's going to return 1 here. See, it's out 1. But the thing is what? I need to put here \n for more clear output. Control C. See the output now. See, the 10 is equal to 15. No, it's false. 10 not equal to 15. Yes, it's correct. And then we will see the next one. Which one is the next one? Greater than. I'll take, this is the symbol. All symbols are available in your keyboard only. Only you need to press shift and then that symbol. X, Y, and here we're checking X greater than Y. So let's have one comment here. Is 10 is greater than 15? What's your answer? Is 10 is greater than 15? No. So it's going to return what? It's going to return 0. Check it out. See the result here. It's 0. Then what is the next one? Control V, and I want to check the less than now. Less than, and here I'll check the less than mark. Then comment, is 10 is less than 15? Yes, 10 is less than 15. So it's going to return what? Going to return a 1 here. Compile and execute and see the output. Yeah, 10 is less than 1. It's the correct answer. And then two important things. I'll take this one only. Control C, Control V, and here is it is greater than or equal to 15. No, it's not at all, right? I'll do here, for example, 10 is greater than or equal to 15. No, it's not. It's neither greater nor equal. So it returns 0. Let us check the output. See, it's 0. Okay, and the last one I'll tell you, is it less than or equals to? Is it less than or equal to? No, it's not less than or equal to, it's less than only. So 10 less than or equal to 15. Okay, the first condition is only satisfying. So no problem, it's going to print 1 here. Let us check here. See the output 1. Even though it is less than equals, it is less than 15. Okay, for example, here, if I take 15 instead of this, just to watch the last output only, I'm taking this as a 15. Is 15 less than 15? No, the condition is become false. But the second condition is or. Is it equal to 15? Yes, that is the reason why it is again going to print what? 1. That is what the case. So relational operators are used to check the relationship between two operands, whether it is equal to, whether it is not equal to, whether it is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. And mostly these all relational operators are used in some control statements, like either it is a selectional statements using if else or using looping structures. It is also used, for example, if I want to check, for example, in relational operators using a control statements means here only I'll write some statement. If my x is equal to y, see how the conditions are going to be implemented. This is the relational operator. Is equal to y, I just want to printf, for example, printf values are equal. If not, outside of the bracket I want to write, for example, else I'll take else. Else. What do you want else? Printf. I just want to print values are not equal. This kind of implementation, if you want, right, then this relational operators will play a very important role. Now check it out. You know that x is equal to y, now both are equal. So I hope you got the output here. It's an extra one, no problem. See the result. Only you concentrate on the first. Values are equal, right? This is the next coming statements after that, like this one. Okay, backslash n. Values are equal, so that is the reason why it is x is equal to it is compared. The value will be returned is what? 1. And we know that in bracket, if it is 1, that means the condition is true. It will enter into the this particular block and it will execute this one. For example, if I'll change this one, see 12 is equal to y right now. So which one is going to execute? Can you guess? I just comment it. I just comment these lines, just concentrate on this program only. Is equal to y. So 12 is equal to y? No. So it's not going to execute. It's going to execute what? Values are not equal. Check it out. Values are not equal. Even though for this condition, if I'll do, see here, I'll place only not equal. Now tell me which thing is going to execute. Is it returns true or false now? It returns true because 12 is not equal to 5. That's what we are checking. It's not equal to y. The condition become true, then it will execute what? Values are equal. So such kind of whenever output you want, right? You go for the relational operators. Now you go for check for any of the condition greater than 3 numbers, 2 numbers, any of the programs you want to implement, you can use this relational operators. So now let us move for the next topic of this video, that is assignment operator. I don't want to save this. Now we will go and concentrate on the next topic. That is assignment operator. Now, what exactly meaning of this assignment operator? That means what? It is going to assign values to the variables. Simple. Already we have seen these assignment operators in our many of the programs. It is going to assign the values to the variable. That means what? If I'm using x is equals to 10, just now only in the what relational operator we have seen this kind of thing. The thing will be evaluated and then it's going to be assigned. So here the assignment will be always what? The assignment will be always from right to left. Always from right to left. So the purpose of assignment operator is only to assign the values to the variables. So most commonly used assignment operator is, I hope you might have guessed, that is equal. This is actually called as the assignment operator, or I can say only equal. I'm not saying equal to. Equal to will be double equal. Okay, that comparison operator is called as a equal to. But here, better to call this as a equal. Go for this is called as what? Assignment operators. There are more assignment operators are also there, like plus equal to, like minus equal to, like multiplication equals to, like division and equals to, sorry, like division equals to and mod equals to, mod and equals to. So this plus equal to means what? For example, if I'm taking one variable like x, here I'll write like x plus equal to, suppose I'm writing for example 10. This means what? This means x is equal to x plus 10. This is what exactly meaning by that plus equal to. If I'm writing x minus equal to, x minus equal to suppose 10. This means you might have guessed now x is equals to x minus 10. Similarly, the other operators x into means x equal to x into 10 and so on. So this operators, basically this is the assignment operator, right? But this assignment, this particularly this all plus and these all operators including plus, minus, multiplication and equal to is called as shorthand operators. It is called as shorthand operators. Why it is so called as a shorthand operators? Because we are using shortcut here, right? Instead of using this x is equal to x plus 10, we are using what? X plus equals to 10. So whatever the result is going to be calculated in the right hand side, that will be added, assigned to the left hand side variable. So that is the reason why it is called as what? Shorthand operators. This is also called as shorthand operator. It may be the interview questions. What do you mean by shorthand operators? Then you should know, right? This is called as a shorthand operator. These all are called as a shorthand operators. So let us take one example on this assignment operators to understand more clearly how the execution is going on. So program for assignment operators. For that, we'll include the header file, then void main is the method, and let us take and declare some variables. For example, x is equals to, I want to declare like 3, or for example 5. I'll take 5 and y another variable. Now here, the first and foremost, what I will do, 5 equal to y equals to 5. And suppose if I'll print what? Y equals to %d. The answer will be, you know that. Yeah, this is assignment operator. This 5 will be assigned to y. And now if I'll print y, so it will print what? 5 as an output. See? Fine. Now we'll do some operations. We'll use some shorthand operators here. So for example, y plus equals to 5. So what does it mean? It means y is equals to y plus 5. And the result would be y is already 5. 5 plus 5. The answer will be 10. Let us check. Control C. Control V. Y equals to %d. And the result we are expecting here what? It's 10. See the output. y equal to 5, and second one is y equals to 10. This is a shorthand operator. Okay. The next one, y minus, sorry, it's underscore minus equals to, suppose instead of this, I'll use like x here. That would be better. X. You know the x value. X is 5. Nice. Well, print y. Now tell me the answer. Y is equals to, yes, any guess? Y equals to, yeah, if I'll write y is equals to y minus x. What is x here? 5. Now, what is the value of y here? Is it 5 or is it 10? Because recently the value of y has been changed here, right? Here it was earlier, it was 5, 5 plus 5, and this 10 will be assigned to y. Now the value of y is 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is 5. Okay, because it's a one variable, and we know that in one variable it can hold only one value. Initially we have assigned what? Y equal to 5. But afterwards we have changed that value like this. So 5 plus 5, 10. Now what is the current value of y? It is 10. Now again we have changed here. Y is equal to y minus 5. The y is what? 10. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. Again the value of y is what now? It's 5 only, because at a time one variable can hold only one value. Now if I'll say y multiplication equals to x, and if I want to print this, now this expression is like what? It would be look like y equals to y into x. Now what is the value of this x here? X is remaining same only, it's 5. And what is y here? Just now we checked here, the value of y is 5. So 5 is a 25. 25 will be assigned here, and I'm printing that. So answer would be 25. This one, right? And again, now if I'll do this one, y, sorry, if I'll take this expression, y division equals to then x. It stands for y equals to y divided by x. Okay, so what's the answer here? Right? Here the value of y is what? 25. 25 divided by x, that is 5. So answer is again 5 only. Sorry, 1. How it is 1? Y divided x equal to y equals to y by x. So here the answer is 25. 25 divided by x is 5, no? Yes. So answer would be 1. Something is missing here. Let's check. Y into x is okay, fine. Here y is 25, no? Yes. So y shorthand operator x is equals to y is equals to y by x. 25 by 5. Y is equal to y. How it is printing 1? Suppose one more I will take. Okay, y mod of equals to x. So if I'll print this, Let me just make sure of the answer. It should print here. It is 1. Something is missing. Y is equal to 5. Y is equals to y plus 5. Fine. Y minus equals to x means it's fine. Let me comment this. Just to check the what is the last value of this y. Okay, print of y. So this is is it giving it 25? That's we need to check. Yes, it's a 25. Then I am taking this one. Y is equals to y divided by x equals to. Oh, sorry. Basically, here we have not used the commenter. Okay. I hope you're getting here. Because of that, it's getting mistake. Okay. Now it is going to give the proper answer, right? It should be 5. Need to remove this comment. Just I will make this as a comment because I will explain later this one. See, the answer is 5 now. Okay. I hope you got right. What was a mistake? Actually, I have forgotten to put this what single line comment here. So it is taking the next statement as well. That is the reason why it is giving the answer as 1. Okay. So then it's better to solve the errors there only. Then I'm taking this mod. You know, this mod means it returns what? Reminder. Now, what is the value of y? Value of y is a 5 now. Okay. So this expression is look like y equals to y mod of 5. Right? What is the answer now? Y equals to y mod of 5. So 5 mod of 5 is completely divisible. So the answer would be what? The answer would be 0. Reminder is not, nothing is left. Okay, so this is what a simple program to demonstrate the assignment operators, how they are used in our programming, right? This is the also called as a shorthand operators because instead of writing this whole line and repeating this y, better to write it the y only one time by using the shorthand operators. So that's it. We have seen the two things. One is the relational operators. Then we have seen the this program is basically for relational operator that we have seen. Mostly relational operators are used to check the relationship between the two operands and the result back with either true or false. True means 1, false means 0. Mostly they are used in a control structures, either in a selection statements like if else or any looping statements. Then we have seen the assignment operators. These are some of the operators, assignment operators. And then we have seen one simple program to make sure the use of this all shorthand operators as well. So I hope you have got this concept very clear. So thanks for watching. I will meet with some other operators in my upcoming videos. Till then, watch my all videos. Thank you. Bye bye.